Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. And it's in the 90s out here today, although I have tricks to keep cool, and I've got some leftover paint. I'm going to add some more paint to it. I'm probably going to just give this a coat. These are my fingerprints from yesterday. I'm going to use my OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula to put a layer of wet paint on there. Best paint spreading tool I know of, bar none. A lot of people agree with me. One didn't. Hi, Janet. So that's quite a bit of paint. Maybe even more than I expected, but because it's so warm out here, I'm not going to try and pour any of it off. I'm just going to leave it a nice heavy layer. Plus I missed a spot. Here we go. The spatula often makes short work of bubbles. You do get bubbles in the paint, and you do need to use a torch or some heat gun or some warming element. I don't recommend the butane torches because I went through 4 or 5, and a lot of butane, and one propane tank lasts me a long time, like months, and it's $5 at your local hardware store. So, quick like a bunny, I have to decide what goes in here, and I want to use colors I don't usually use. And whereas that was the berry from Deco-Art Americana, and this is an Anita's white metallic. And since I'm just in this really strange, that's a light blue, I have no idea. And that's a dioxidine purple. This is my favorite color shifting. Oh no, that's the neon purple from Folk Art. So I'm just gonna, first, I'm just gonna take that thing I see out of there. I haven't completely decided what I'm gonna do with these. I could mix that up a little bit, I suppose. Just a little bit. Oh, that might also get something weird out of there that I want not to be in there. Alright, you can come out too. Maybe I won't use it all. Maybe I'll put some orange in there. Maybe I'll put some orange and some black. And some teal. Not if it's sealed up. Okay, I can get a little tiny bit of that out of there. I definitely still want that orange. Oh, and I just mixed a fresh batch of Velveeta color, and it's not coming out. Maybe we'll get a little bit of that. I think the gold is a Deco-Art Americana gold. And I never did put that black in there, and I want some. Maybe some more white too. No, I think I'll just go back to my favorite color shifting purple flash from Folk Art. See that lump? Wow, it's nothing. Cool. Alright, so, time to decide what to do. And I have bunches of chain and bunches of basting brushes, but I really like the design I've got already. So I'm thinking I'm just going to tilt for right now until I decide what I want to do. What I want to do is grab an edge catcher. I think I'm just going to keep spreading that around. The way I started my series of gardens at one point in time was to just put leftovers down and then tilt, and then use the skewer to drag through and the basting brush. Actually, I think it might have been chain. I can scrape that off and let it run back in again. I can also put a little bit more of this at the bottom. Take my extra things out of the way. That's kind of cool. I like that. So I'm just going to go right up and right down and sort of try and pay attention a little bit what's happening as it happens. I like adding those extra colors because it changes everything up. I can rock that edge sketcher so that I cover my bottom, like so. And then also that will send the paint right back up in. It's been a long time since I just tilted one of these with funky fun colors. And luckily that layer of white paint is heavy enough so that it means we can probably keep paint wet while we work on it. So why don't I just go ahead and give myself permission. I'm just going to fill that in. That's what I want to give myself permission to do. Just fill that spot in. I want to put some greens in there. I think I want to use my regular chain. That was a number 10 that I did something with. Oh, that was unplanned. Let's do some more unplanned stuff. Seems to be working. Don't forget that you can go down as well as up. When that white comes into it, that makes me want to go down. When you want to end your chain stroke, you have to lift up. Unless you're going down, in which case, no problem. I kind of want to take all of that paint that's on that chain right there. Pull it right up the side. That was kind of tricky. And every time there's any white in it, it means you'll be able to create a spiral or change up the colors. I kind of want to try a little loop. I used to do a lot more looping. I like looping. Looping is actually really cool. I don't know what took me so long. Oh yeah, that's cool. And holding the chain on two ends, on both ends, makes it a lot easier to pick it up. So I think the whole key to this is convincing yourself it's okay to go up as well as down. And the double-ended thing doesn't seem to hurt anything either. I've got more paint that I can put over here on this end, and I might do that. I prefer to steal it, to tell you the truth, to be honest. But I am actually hitting that paint's beginning to dry zone. Oh, actually I like that. I thought I was not going to like that at all. I can still put some more paint on this side if I want to. Or I could use what I've got to just cover my bottom and call it good, because I kind of like what I've got. Now, I've got other things that I can do, and I do them often, which are take dots That may not be my favorite, but I might not hate it either. A few here and there never hurt anything. I haven't used much of my skewer, and I do like to do that. It makes some really simple marks. And it's easy to steal paint from one place and put it down in another. I think I'm just about done with this, to tell you the truth, other than covering the bottom, and I'll show you guys. And that's pretty cool. I'm good with that. I'm going to have to cover my dish of colors and do it again. First I'm going to cover that little spot down there. A little OCD moment. Let's torch and tell you guys what I need to tell you, which is always going to be thank you. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for shopping my Amazon link. Thank you for watching longer. I hope I didn't ruin it. It is what it is. I think I said, but I'm not sure, I torched to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I'm going to have to clean my chains pretty quick, throw them right in the bucket before they get any drier. Throw a little more white on that fingerprint on the top there. This reminds me of one of my original gardens a while ago. As long as the paint's heavy, you're probably fairly safe. I love this one area that's different colors than the rest. Yeah, this has really got the same flavor as my original weedy garden, which makes me pretty happy, actually. I'm not going to stick my skewer in there, but I am going to stick it right there. And what else am I going to do? Anything else? Well, I've got a couple dots over here anyway, so I might as well add a stem to the flower head. I don't see too many things. Yes, I should have done it before I torched, but if you're really careful, you might get away with it. Cool. Alright, I'm going to cover my paint, turn this to you guys, tell you I love you. There's 87,000 of you, 100, or I was within 5 of that last time I checked. On my playlists you will find over 1,450 videos organized by the 100 and also by the genre, which is to say scapes or geometrics or gardens. Or I should make a list. There's a monthly drawing, and you can find the exhibition video that shares the prizes for that drawing on the end screens of any video. And I see that that wants to be covered right now. Cool. Hope that didn't ruin it. Alright, well, any tweaking that needs to be done you won't know about, and I won't tell you because you won't be here. And I'll still tell you I love you, and thank you for watching the videos longer. And someday I'll find my crib sheet again. Shop my Amazon link at no added cost to you. Shop Teespring clothing is all over print leggings and t-shirts. Just know that you can ask me questions, and also if you ever find a piece of my artwork that you would like to see made into a print or available as a canvas print, or in a coffee mug, shower curtain, yoga mat, etc., you can mention that to me, and I'll figure that out. My email address is below the link tree where all the other links are, and should you happen to use my link, my email address under the video, you can contact me for purchases or classes. I think I told you at the beginning I live and work in Spring Hill, Florida, so that should come as no surprise. Yes, I did. I just filled that in. Thank you for the thumbs up. Did I say that? I'm not sure. Thank you for the wonderful comments and all of the donations that have kept me painting all this time. I love you guys dearly. I hope you come again. check the community board for today's video. Check Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group on Facebook for other students and probably today's video or videos. Phoenix Rising, Priscilla Batzell art has no commercials on it yet, and if it's still in existence, you might enjoy it there. You might want to check that out. I'm sure I've forgotten something, but whatever it is, you'll probably see it in another video, because I got a lot of them. And I love you. Again, I love you, I love you. I'll see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out. Sorry that wasn't in better frame. Let's see if we can move it in now. There we go. Okay, I'll see you anon. Bye for now. Binge watch if you feel like it.